welcome back to my channel. So today I got it fully charged. We are ready to rock and roll, guys. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, we are going to do a PennyWise inspired look. So first thing I'm going to do is with my Amherst glue, lay down these brows. What I did the other day that really worked out is when I lay it down to like kind of hold it, if that makes sense. Like lay it, like when I put the glue on there, me like holding it down like a real player supposed to, you know. That's what I did. It's cute. Pushing it, you gotta push it cause we're in it to win it, in it to win it. Oh yeah, push it. Comment, y'all. Comment right now below if y'all know what movie that's from. That's how old I am. Cause we're in it to win it, in it to win it. Oh yeah. On my face, I'm going with my lightest powder, which is going to be my number 10 Maybelline Fit Me in the loose finishing powder. And yeah, I haven't even used this, but I'm going to use that because I feel like when I go in with my white on my face, I feel like you gotta help it. So we're gonna see, but I just feel like that will help the application a little bit better. Now let me tell you why I feel like y'all should watch my videos. Because your girl balls on a budget. I don't even care if I have it. It don't need all that. Everybody that follow me may not have it. So why would I even be showing stuff that, you know, maybe my followers or people that watch me may not even have or can afford. So guys, let me tell y'all a story about my previous videos. When I did those little scars and all that like that, y'all know what I used? Play-Doh. Whatever I use is like whatever I think can give me the look I want. So like with my little scars, the first one I did, that was all Play-Doh. Like, so nothing I use is like the real deal Holyfields. So y'all, let's do a little chit chat. Ooh, look at the brow. Let's go in with our mineral infused face primer by e.l.f. and we're going to just prime our face because I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the powder. So now that we got that in our skin, we are going to press this number 10 in. I have my NYX white eyeshadow base, and we're going to use our jumbo crayon, and these are going to be our tools for the face. Ooh, this white eyeshadow base really just put on my face. It's doing good, ain't it, y'all? And then what I'm going to do is go on with one of my white eyeshadows, and I'm just going to use it as a setting powder. And yeah, exactly what I just said. Use it as a setting powder. Okay, I don't know how far my hairline I'm going to go, guys, but we're going to just... So since y'all see the gist of what I'm doing, I'm going to come back once I cover my whole face. The James Charles Morphe palette with Spooky. So I'm just trying to, ooh, yeah, I'm about to blend that out. It's doing too much. Whoa. Stay positive, guys. So what I went in to do for the nose, y'all, for a red, I went in with this Maybelline matte ink stay, and this is in the shade 118. It's called Danger. I'll go back. So what I think I'm gonna do, y'all, is draw my own eyebrow. I'm gonna do a dark eyeliner on my lip. Oh, we get so wrong. Ooh, PennyWise. Okay, y'all, so off camera what I did is put my wig on, and I really just blended out some areas that I felt like needed to be blended. But for the most part, this is how the look turned out. I wasn't sure if I want to do lashes because I'm like, this is a scary person. Why do we need lashes for? So this is how I feel like the look turned out. My husband said I should push the wig back some. Originally, I had it up closer. Ooh, see, now my wig is like, it's on there now, so I can't push it back if I wanted to. I'm trying to make my hair a little bit crazier, but it's not really working for me. Like, I don't want it to look too like, I still want this wig, but I just want it to look a little crazy. So I've been trying to tease it some. Just tease it. I've been teasing it, so hopefully it looks like what I need to do. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is take some few pictures and I'm gonna come back and then we're gonna try to do the special effect with the glue and see how that turns out. Some pictures. Y'all, this is a tutu. We are getting creative here, okay? I'm telling you, we're gonna make everything happen out of your closet. So now let's get into this special effect. Okay, guys, so now let's get started. I'm thinking that for this like effect, I seen where she used the glue. I'm trying to think what I have here that I can like split it. So I'm gonna use the glue right here. Okay. Bubble baby. Hot bubble baby. Hot bubble baby. I think I'm gonna I'm gonna do it, y'all. Don't do it, 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 don't. I wanna see your teeth grow red. My teeth go red? Is that what they say? Yeah, I have been like so hooked on TikTok. Like, it's so addictive. Like, I got it. I'm going to keep layering it up. I think the more I layer it up, the more realistic it's gonna look. So I gotta go like, I'm not gonna do it. Y'all know how much this glue was? 50 cents. Baby, see, you can see it, but let's make it look like something. Okay, this one right here, is it y'all? Okay, so I double up on the eye right here and right there with the glue. And I'm just gonna let it dry, and then once it dries, what I'm going to do, I may do another layer, y'all, because I feel like I don't know, y'all. I want to say, I feel like when I watched the video, she was saying how like you need to make like a slit in it so you can have a place to put like your application. I have a cotton ball, and I'm just going to use this area with some cotton tissue. Ooh, this is gonna be good, y'all. We started off a little, you know, I know how y'all was feeling, because I was feeling it too. But look at us, we about to be done, baby. Okay, this is not doing good at the top up there. Okay, so now the cotton, the cotton has given us the layer, the texture that a girl like me needs, okay? So what I'm gonna do now is I have actually some paint. I know I like paint, Jasmine, but listen. What I'm gonna do is trying to like darken the areas to make it look like, you know, like it's been hurt. Okay, so I'll put that darker, because what I'm gonna do, Lord, this thing right here, see, it's giving me like a, you see, like a darky scabby. It's giving these scab. Yes, you see it, y'all? So I went in with the darker. It like darkens the cut to like give it more of the realistic look. And I like the way the burgundy lip is looking. So I'm just, oh, that's too much. I'm just trying to go in. I'm using a pencil, guys. Listen, when you're winging it, we are winging it. Ooh, this turned out really good, y'all. Okay, but this glue is dry, honey, and I can feel it. Okay, so the only thing I would advise you guys, if you decide to do this process, is do not put the glue on any parts where you got hair at, because everywhere I got glue at, I don't have hair. Like my brows are right here, you can still see them, but this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed my Halloween tutorial. Yes, I did it. All right, guys, but that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this full makeup tutorial on how to do this PennyWise look.